Well, in this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, excitement at the DeCarteret College in Manchester this morning as the National Spelling Bee champion returned to school following his exploits in the competition. Carrie-Ann Simpson tells us more right now.
A champion's welcome for one of their own. Tavian Morgan, a grade 7 student of DeCarteret College, competed in the Gleaners National Spelling Bee competition and returned with a trophy.
I brought the trophy home back to Manchester and I brought it for DeCarteret College.
So congratulations, Tavian, from the DeCarteret College family.
His winning word was Ebdomadal.
I had seen the word when I was going through the dictionary once and I never forgot it. So when I got it, I started smiling. I couldn't help myself from smiling because the joy was just, I can't explain it. So I spelled the word, and before they made the announcement, I knew that I'd already won.
The champion speller's winning team was made up of his father, mother, and coach.
We had to pull together in terms of how we quiz him, how we search for the words, how we got him prepared to how to approach going on stage and all of that.
So where did you get that experience from?
We watched a lot of videos and we had a good coach. We watched a lot of past videos from past spelling bees, and we actually had a good coach. He knew the documents to give us. He knew exactly where to steer us, and that helps us a lot.
Tavian's mother said the 11-year-old's victory was also a story of second chance.
He had lost 3 years ago, and he cried and he was determined to win. And he came home and he'd adjusted everyone to fulfill his goal on his path. And that's how we supported him. We rallied behind him as he dragged us along this journey.
His dad, beaming with pride, has been there every step of the way and was there again at the celebration Monday.
As a father, and growing a young man in this world, it makes me very proud to know that I am doing something good, and I'm leading a future leader, a future doctor, a future engineer to succeed and to do well. And he has made me very proud. I'd like to thank him for the opportunity to be his father and to show me his greatness.
Incidentally, the word Ebdomadal means weekly, which is a measure of time. And Mr. Morgan's advice to other fathers is make time for your children.
Because he wanted it so bad, we made the time. I don't know if you can actually add hours to the days, but it felt like we add hours to the day.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson.